we have decided to base our science project on Brazilian feedlots. This means that Brazilian farmers burn down trees to make room for beef feedlots. This creates lots of problems for the environment and the financial side of Ireland. This all began in April 2019. Big machines come and clear out the trees and debris, destroying animals' habitats. This causes the animals to become more and more extinct. There are currently 5 million cattle in Brazilian feedlots. The harmful fumes from the machines and cattle damage and destroy the ozone layer and allows harmful sun rays to come through. This causes the temperatures to rise and the ice caps to melt, resulting in further habitat loss. Beef prices also go down in Ireland as Brazilian beef is imported. Thank you for listening to our project on Brazilian feedlots.